Hey guys, Cars of Queens here, back at it again with the one and only ChrisFix Windstar, this 1995 Windstar. She's kind of all apart, as you guys would imagine. I mean, you guys know that ChrisFix has used this car in some demos. We're finally going to be piecing it back together. Here we have the alternator. So everything's kind of disconnected. As you guys can see, it's missing the power steering pump and the EGR. It obviously doesn't run and it obviously does not drive. This is the old battery, so it's gonna need a new battery considering it hasn't ran or drove since 2017. So we're gonna put a new battery, we're gonna put a new power steering pump, new EGR. As you guys can see, the serpentine belt's all apart, so obviously it's gonna get a new serpentine belt, maybe a new alternator. This alternator looks really old. We want to take this off. I really don't want anything getting into the engine, but look, it's got a bunch of peanuts and stuff in here, so I just want to just get it running and driving. But that's how it looks underneath. 3.8 liter V6 Ford Windstar. Finally commencing the restoration. We have some new tires for it, which I will show you guys in just a moment, but can't wait to detail this thing at the end. That's going to be the icing on the cake. It's going to be so much fun to detail this car after so long and pressure wash all this dirt, debris, filth and whatnot off of the body of the car. As you guys can see, it's relatively clean actually. So yeah, can't wait to show you guys the progress. Now getting into the tires. This is the underside mounted tire. It's not currently underside, obviously. Very rusted. I do want to restore this before I throw it back under. Car is definitely gonna need to get some oil coated and some rust repair, obviously, which I'm sure you guys are aware of. But thank you, ChrisFix. We do have these Nomad Grappler tires. This is gonna be amazing. Really nice tread pattern to these, and these are replacing the outgoing tires over here, which are some Goodyear Eagles. Goodyear Eagles are like literally the worst tire you can get for a car. These are from 2013, so they're long overdue replacing. They're dry rotted, they're cracked. But thank you to ChrisFix for supplying us with these new tires to go on his family's beloved minivan, and I really can't wait to do this thing right and restore it, bring her back to life, and show you guys the process on how I do it. This is an interesting quirk. We don't have a power lift gate, but we do have this pull down to shut up the Ford Windstar. And there you have it. That's just a quick little update. I know a lot of you guys have been asking me and wanting to know what's the current progress or update with the Windstar. So that pretty much concludes our video of the update on what's been going on with the Windstar. Really stoked to have this car. I can't wait to bring her back to life. Really hot 100-degree day over here in New York City. So I really hope this thing has AC. That's the most important thing. But it's not going to be in commission for a while. As you guys can see, some cobwebs over here. It's very interesting to see this car finally getting the love that it deserves, being one of the last Windstars. I mean, these things were everywhere, and I'm sure 99.9% of these have been crushed by now. Truth be told, I didn't get started on it right away, but this is an amazing car to keep stuff in. The reason that I'm keeping these Street Hawks in it right now and not feeling bad about it is because these seats, they were already the foam was like messed up. So I'm gonna be putting in some new foam in order to make the seats like new, and then once I get the tires out of here, this is going to be a good van to haul some stuff around. Very useful van. I'm definitely going to be putting more miles on it and driving it. These cars are meant to be driven, right? 311,000 miles. This thing's going to be driven till 500 and a million and more. So I'm really going to be definitely putting this car to use. I do have some Street Hawks, one for my buddy Zach, one for me that I picked up. So shout out to Zach. Thank you guys for watching, and I'm gonna keep you guys in the know on what happens to this car. Be sure to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next video.